Hello, this is Farhan Kaldi, and I'm here to trace our roots today, so let's begin from the very beginning. Imagine a time before time existed. This was the state of the universe before the Big Bang. Then, in a fraction of a second, everything exploded outwards. This explosion created space and time as we know it. The universe was incredibly hot and dense at first. It slowly began to cool down. As it did, tiny particles came together. These particles formed the first atoms. Gravity caused these atoms to clump together. These clumps became bigger and bigger over millions of years. Eventually, they became so massive that they collapsed under their own gravity. This collapse caused the atoms to heat up and release an enormous amount of energy. This is how the first stars were born. These early stars were massive and short-lived. They burned brightly for millions of years. Then they exploded in spectacular supernovae. These explosions scattered the elements they had created throughout space. These elements, like carbon, oxygen, and iron, would eventually become the building blocks of planets and life itself. The death of these early stars paved the way for the formation of galaxies. Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. Our own Milky Way galaxy is just one of billions in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a testament to the incredible power of the Big Bang and the intricate dance of cosmic evolution. Within the Milky Way galaxy, a new chapter in the universe's story was about to unfold. Around a young star we call the Sun, a swirling disk of gas and dust began to coalesce. Over millions of years, gravity pulled these particles together, forming larger and larger clumps. This is how our planet Earth was born. Early Earth was a chaotic and violent place. Volcanoes erupted across its surface, spewing molten rock and gases into the atmosphere. These gases would eventually form Earth's early atmosphere. As the planet cooled, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed. This led to torrential rains that lasted for millennia. These rains formed the first oceans, covering most of Earth's surface. The early Earth was a hostile environment, yet within its primordial oceans, something remarkable occurred. Life emerged. The precise details of how life arose from non-living matter remain a mystery. However, scientists believe that simple organic molecules, the building blocks of life, formed in Earth's early oceans. These molecules eventually assembled into more complex structures, eventually forming the first single-celled organisms. These tiny organisms were the earliest forms of life on Earth. They were simple, yet they possessed the extraordinary ability to replicate and evolve. This marked the beginning of a journey that would lead to the incredible diversity of life we see on Earth today. For billions of years, single-celled organisms were the only inhabitants of Earth. Then, around 3.5 billion years ago, a profound change occurred. Some of these single-celled organisms began to cooperate, forming colonies. Over time, these colonies evolved into the first multicellular organisms. This transition from single-celled to multicellular life was a pivotal moment in Earth's history. It paved the way for the evolution of increasingly complex life forms. Over millions of years, life diversified, spreading from the oceans to land. Plants evolved, harnessing the power of sunlight through photosynthesis. Animals followed, developing new ways to move, sense their surroundings, and obtain food. Around 540 million years ago, life on Earth experienced a dramatic burst of evolutionary innovation known as the Cambrian explosion. During this time, a dazzling array of new life forms emerged. These included the ancestors of many modern animal groups, such as arthropods, mollusks, and vertebrates. The Cambrian explosion marked the beginning of a new era in Earth's history, one where life became increasingly complex and diverse. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, life on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution to shape and reshape our planet. One lineage of mammals, the primates, evolved increased brain size and intelligence. This lineage eventually gave rise to our own species, Homo sapiens. Humans possessed a unique capacity for abstract thought, language, and problem solving. This allowed us to develop tools, build shelters, and create complex societies. As humans spread across the globe, we began to impact the environment in unprecedented ways. We cleared forests for agriculture, domesticated animals, and built cities. The Industrial Revolution, beginning in the 18th century, marked a turning point in human history. We harnessed new forms of energy, leading to rapid technological advancements. While these advancements brought about many benefits, they also came at a cost. The burning of fossil fuels released greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Pollution from industries and agriculture degraded air and water quality. Deforestation and habitat loss threatened biodiversity. Today we stand at a crossroads. The choices we make in the coming decades will determine the future of our planet. We must address the challenges we have created while preserving the incredible diversity of life that makes Earth so unique. The future of our planet and all life on it depends on our ability to learn from the past and create a more sustainable future for all.